afternoon, friends. My colleague, Minister Sridhar Babu Garu, Sri Diyoga Rao, Chief Information and Digital Officer, and global team of Eli Lilly, industry leaders, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks a historic milestone in the journey of Telangana life sciences sector. Today's event is a clinching proof that in less than 20 months, my government vision and hard work have made Hyderabad the global GCC capital and hub. For this, I congratulate Minister Sridhar Babu Garu, Jayesh Ranjan, Sanjay Kumar, Shakti Nagappan, Ajit Reddy, and all officers who have made this happen. This is an important step towards achieving the Telangana Rising 2047 vision. Our plan is we wanted to reach within a 10 years $1 trillion economy. 2047, we wanted to reach $3 trillion economy. Government of India is focusing on 2047 for $30 trillion economy. I wanted to contribute from my state 10% of the Indian economy. I welcome the leadership and all employees of Lilly. I thank all global investors and corporations for their continuing trust and support in Telangana. We are opening the new center of Lilly that will manage, lead and accelerate its global operations. This technology and innovation center will play a key role in research and to address patients across the world. You are recognizing and endorsing my Hyderabad with your decision and presence. You are saying to the entire world, Hyderabad has talent pool, leadership, vision, policy, and infrastructure to host the brain and backbone of global leader like Lilly. As you all know, Hyderabad is the life sciences capital of India. We are home to over near about 2,000 life sciences companies. More than 200 global players have presence in Hyderabad. Nearly 40% of India's pharmaceutical production happens in Telangana, Hyderabad. We are proud that one in every vaccine produced anywhere in the world is developed or manufactured in Hyderabad, Telangana. Genome Valley in Hyderabad is India's largest cluster for life sciences, research and development. Hyderabad has become the preferred global destination for cutting-edge capability centers for world's top pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies. Today, with the arrival of Lilly, we reach a new level. Their focus on life sciences has been a game changer in diabetes, oncology, immunology, and neuroscience. Your contribution has positively impacted and saved millions of lives, and I promise you that my government stands firmly with you. We are committed to providing a transparent, progressive, and innovation-driven ecosystem. To Lilly, people who will work here, you are not just living and working in Hyderabad. You are now part of our family. You will be shaping the future of global healthcare from Hyderabad. With your support, we will ensure Telangana is not only capital of India's life sciences, but world's #1 hub for healthcare innovation. Together, let us create breakthroughs, transform lives, and redefine the future of healthcare of the world. Thank you. Jai Telangana.
Hello, everyone, and namaskaram. Thank you so much for welcoming us today. Telangana has a rich, proud history of innovation There are so many things to be proud of, so much innovation all along the way. And I can't tell you, on behalf of all of the leaders at Eli Lilly and Company, how delighted we are to join in this history today. This is a place where innovation has come because we've had a number of leaders that have seen what the future looks like. And so what I would like to do is I would first like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Reddy, for his vision. He has a long history of projects that benefit the welfare of not just the few, but of just the everyone. Thank you very much for coming and joining us today. And I would like to also thank the Honorable Minister Babu. He has a vision for technology, and I have to say is very convincing. I first met him about a year and a half ago at the BioAsia conference, and let me tell you, he made a very compelling case about why Telangana is the place where we needed to be. And so in about the time that it takes to make a pearl, we have built this site here today, and I am pleased and I thank you for your vision that you brought in your leadership. This is not my first, second, or even third time to Bhagya Nagaram. It's somewhere well beyond that, and I've forgotten how many times I've been here. But there is something that I remember every time that I come here, and this is something that I felt again today. And that is the spirit of entrepreneurship, the spirit of wanting to do something, build something bigger and better than yourself. I feel that today, and I see that in the tour. There is also that feeling of potential, that the future is bright, and the future is going to be better tomorrow than it is today. And I, again, feel that alive and well here. The other thing that I, of course, always remember when I come to Hyderabad is the biryani. And I promise that I will not leave today, will not leave this visit without getting some biryani extra spicy, the way I like it. So Lilly has a long history of making medicines. And what we really care about is the health of the entire world. And I know that Telangana shares that vision of improving the health for the entire world. Telangana is home to 1,800 life sciences companies. It generates nearly 1/3 of India's pharmaceutical output. It's about 1/5 of India's pharmaceutical exports, and 1/3 of all of the supply of vaccines in the world come right here from Telangana. We also care a lot about the health of India. This is a country that has challenges with obesity, with diabetes, and with cardiovascular conditions. These may sound like all very separate things, but all of them turn out to be very closely related. Obesity has over 100 comorbidities associated with it. Many of those are cardiovascular in nature. That means that if we can reduce the prevalence of obesity in society, we will be able to improve the lives of people in so many other ways just beyond obesity. We'll be able to improve cardiovascular outcomes and so many other conditions. Lilly is committed to the health of India, but with today, I would like to also make it clear that Lilly is committed to the state of Telangana. We have, what we are opening here is not an ordinary center. We often talk about GCCs, but I want to make one thing clear. This is not where we are planning to send business processes. We're not planning this is going to be IT support. This, for us, is a center of innovation. It is not a center where we support other people that innovate. This is a center where we lead for all of the company in terms of the innovation that we do. And so I'd like to take a moment to just recognize all of the people that have brought this together, starting from visions of leaders like the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Minister, to all of the industry associations that have worked with us, to all of the other partners, and to, of course, all of our Lilly team members. And to all of you, I would like to say thank you for making this day happen. So I'd like to say thank you again. And as we say at Lilly, the patient is waiting. Dhanyawad.
Andariki Namaskaram. A very good morning and also very good afternoon to all. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Revanth Reddy Garu, and a name very similar to our Telugu origin, Dijo Rao. Rao is a very, common name in our both states. And in fact, my friend who's been there and who's been inviting us many a time, Mr. Manish Ji, Mr. Tucker, and I've been joined by our Special Chief Secretary, Mr. Sanjay Kumar, and also our Director Life Sciences, Mr. Shakti Nagappan, and the Secretary for Honorable CM, Mr. Rajit Reddy. And we would like to welcome all the global leaders of the Eli Lilly who have come here, and special thanks to Eli Lilly team for selecting and posing trust in our state, especially in our government led by our Chief Minister, Sri Revanth Reddy Garu. I would like to mention here, exactly a year back, I think, when I met Mr. Rao, I was emphasizing the point why they have to open their center here in Hyderabad. The people who are sitting on across the dais over there, they are the assets. These are the talented people available over here. There's a talent which is available over here. And there's a great ecosystem which has been built over the past 6 decades. And Mr. Divya Rao and Mr. Manish and their team were just asking me many questions. Why should we have to keep center here? I think they would have done great due diligence before they have come to a decision. They've been weighing in different parts of the city and also different cities of different centers of our nation. But in fact, thanks for accepting our proposal to come here. And thanks for accepting us and posing trust in us. And that gives us lots of encouragement for us, because our Chief Minister is absolutely a visionary. He's not thinking about our short-term political governance over here. We have a plan, and we have to see our state grow into a 3 trillion economy by 2047. And we have named it as Telangana Racing. In the process, we have set the stage and we have set the first step to go. And, the great partners who have been partnering with us with this state for the past 6 to 7 decades, which made this possible, which directly and indirectly contributed to create this sort of a talent in this state of Telangana, then in erstwhile Andhra Pradesh. We have built many stories. The simple example I would like to say is, never in any part of our India, we have a dedicated life sciences or the pharma city by Genome Valley. And time and again, we have to show excellence. We have to show expertise. And this has only been made possible by our talent pool available here, thanks to the young, talented life sciences, graduates, now with the combination of the technology and Hyderabad now becoming a medtech capital for the future world. I think rightly you have chosen this Hyderabad, our Hyderabad, your Hyderabad in Telangana to start your Center for Innovation. And Lilly, as the name represents, as you all people represents, it also represents a pure, simple term as a purity. Purity in thought, purity in their dedication in service, and also in the production and what they intended to do. Our stand, our Telangana stand on our intent. We would like to build for tomorrow a medtech engine for the global south. I would like to mention here where we meet science with data very, very fast and safely, and we hold these partnerships very boldly to move on. And I think for Lilly, it's not just a destination, and we always believe in our building a strategic partners where world needs our cooperation. And we have a command center over here that you people call the nerve center, what you have seen, to connect to 150 countries and all. to all your centers of production. That is a beautiful facility which you have been created, and high appreciation has to go to all your technology people which made it possible. We have seen how me and our Honorable Chief Minister have just seen how your AI-driven research, the cloud-powered patient journeys, you are going to do it from here, where it can change the life-changing therapies across the globe. I would like to mention again, because time and again why I've been mentioning about Hyderabad, why I'm mentioning about the state of Telangana is, everybody knows it's a city of code. Now, we are always meeting the city of code. Now we are meeting with you people that we are code here or meeting with care, where engineering is meeting with empathy, where companies like Lilly shape not just products, but with a purpose for ultimate care. And we have all the global giants present over here. This is also a point where I mentioned to Mr. Rao then 1.5 years back. We have every global company over here now joining this companies is Eli Lilly, and we welcome you again for this, where you will bring more value to our ecosystem. And in terms of medtech, we are literally seeing about what we would like to see that a 360-degree medtech engine has to be driven. And it should be our Hyderabad and our Telangana should be a launch pad for the global value. Now, I would like to say that with the Honorable Chief Minister's vision, and many a time we have put the criticism too, but we went on doing things in our own way, trying to create confidence in our investors, in our partners, and we made it possible. And Chief Minister was so emphatic that we will be investment friendly, we will be industry friendly, and whatever may come, we will, handhold you to see that you will grow along with us. In exactly 24-25, I would like to mention here, the state added about 70 new global capability centers. Target of 100 plus in this year of 25-26. This signifies our Hyderabad, the next frontier for R&D, regulatory and commercial scale innovation in a seamless value chain. And thanks to all efforts made by our techies over here, which made it possible. And between 23 ending till now, Telangana added about 1.1 crore square feet of the new R&D labs, manufacturing space in medtech parks. This is the fastest pace ever in India. I am not telling, our Honorable Chief Minister is not telling, it is from medtech infrastructure reports. And I would like to mention, in terms of the investment mobilization, Telangana leads in the investment in this span of 19 months under the leadership of Mr. Revanth Reddy. We had investment of 3.2 lakh crore in Telangana when compared to 2.6 in Gujarat and 2.1 in Tamil Nadu. This source and all, again, thanks to our partners who have been posing trust in us. This is a source of report from RBI, FDI Bulletin, and our socio-economic outlook. And why we are trying to impress upon all other investors, basically, as you know, is a tech capital, and is also a capital for the life sciences and the pharma, and both fusion can make things to go to the next level. That is medtech. It's a digital health, what we are looking up, and our Chief Minister and our Health Minister are trying to see that the patient and the patient records of about 40 million population of ours is digitally enabled, and this is the first time ever in this country where the access of each and every citizen of our state will be on the digital platform. We have just started the innings, And this is the only state we have integrated policy of the life sciences infused with our digital health, AI in healthcare. And recently we have launched, this Telangana Data Exchange. All comprehensive put together is our life sciences policy. And with Telangana, data exchange is not just sharing data to our partners. We are enabling collaborative R&D across borders. From Hyderabad, I think, the great company like Lilly will drive AI-led drug discovery, cloud-based clinical platform, automated regulatory systems. And in this city, where it always and already produced many companies with this sort of platforms, and we combine basically, we are proud to say that we have about 3 lakh STEM graduates here annually. And world-class infrastructure, just I mentioned about Genome Valley and the MedTech Park, which we are going to expand in a big way. And the future-ready policy, as I've already dictated, which has been envisioned by our Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy. Telangana is not only getting ready, but we are engineered to grow as MedTech city for tomorrow's world. And with the launch of this Lilly's Hyderabad Center, it reaffirms our Telangana place in the heart of our global healthcare innovation. And if you can see, we are not looking just to grow, but he always says, our young Chief Minister always says, we are not competing with any other states. We are competing with the global world. So we are just not there, but to lead in all ways and make Telangana to grow in terms of the speed, in terms of science, in terms of scale. We would like to see and make our Telangana a future MedTech capital for the global world. The future of MedTech isn't being outsourced. All these days, people used to tell and believe in terms of the low labor arbitrage, but we are now not being outsourced. Now we are going to build here. That's the real reason. We are inviting all the global leaders like you to put their offices, to build digital innovation centers, the now centers over here, and let's make you and us, under the leadership of our Chief Minister, a resounding success for this, the first ever initiative in terms of connecting all your 150 centers from here, the Digital Innovation Center, the Nerve Center, a very, very successful journey. I welcome again to our state of Telangana, to our city of Hyderabad, and thank all the global leaders from the Lilly for welcoming here. Thank you very much.